see, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Good morning. It's our first full day in New York.
Are you excited, Natalie?
I'm so excited.
You haven't been here in forever.
I haven't been here since I was 4. And I do kind of remember it, but not really. And also there's just things I want to do now as an adult. But yeah, we got here last night when it was dark out, so I haven't even really seen anything besides the apartment, which is so cute. Yeah, we're about to leave. We're thinking about going to the Friends building today. We need coffee. We're probably gonna shop.
I think it's gonna be a shopping day. A New York shopping day.
New York shopping day. Sam looks so cute. Here's our outfits. I have on the sweater and boots. I changed my outfit 4 times.
I always wear this coat because I think every girl in New York has this coat.
Yeah.
So when I come to New York, I have to wear my coat.
This is where Friends lived. We're at the Friends building.
That's so cool.
It's so funny. So this isn't where they filmed it. They just this is just what they showed. But it's still fun.
I only see them living here. It makes sense that they would live in this area.
Yeah. Then there's the little red part of it.
Bedford Street. They literally
live on Bedford Street. Sam's from Bedford. But no, we're gonna go in this cute little coffee shop that's supposed to be Central Perk, so I'm really excited. So update, this wasn't a coffee shop. I think it used to be. It was a restaurant. But we got some cute pictures in front of the building. It's really cute. Yeah, now we're gonna head to get coffee because we were way not awake. So and it's what, 1 p.m. What is this called? The Butcher's Daughter.
Butcher's Daughter. It's everywhere on Instagram. It's for basic white girls, but that's me.
We're being basic. These are my crab cakes. They're vegan though. And then Sam got a quesadilla and an iced coffee. I got a cold brew. This looks so good. So we knew that they were doing the Chanel pop-up thing, but we ran right into it. And look, there's Chanel models. We got free hot chocolate.
Free hot chocolate, free cookie.
The most beautiful cookie I've ever seen in my life. Oh, it's broken. Well, it was
Mine's
beautiful.
broken. Yours isn't broken.
Yeah, but it was beautiful. We're in the subway. I'm overwhelmed. Very busy. The last car, people were literally cramming in, people getting shut in the doors. We're gonna cram in, but a little stressed. This guy was walking along with a stroller so close, and I'm this is stressing me out, but all in good fun, I guess. So,
Great. I'm just trying to make sure we're getting on the right train.
feels great. Okay. We made it on, and we're sitting, and we didn't get crammed in the door. I am really happy.
And we're going the right direction.
We're going the right direction.
Yeah.
We're going to Times Square.
Yeah,
We're in the Disney
I would
store.
never.
How much is it?
$100.
$100 for a Rapunzel dress. No. Look how beautiful this chandelier is. In the Disney store, it's my favorite thing literally ever. I'm really happy. Hi, we're at Trader Joe's. We're gonna head home soon because we are low-key kind of miserable just because it's been pouring rain.
I'm still really tired, but
I said we're low-key a little miserable from the rain. Just a smidgen. Yeah, we love Trader Joe's. Sam, this might be our last time at Trader Joe's together before you go away. Really sad. But we should do a Trader Joe's haul when we get home.
oh my god.
We're gonna do a Trader Joe's haul when we get home. I'll update you later. What'd you
We
get?
have plantain chips. Eggs.
We have eggs.
Because that's all I eat. Tortilla chips for pineapple salsa.
Which is the best. The best.
We have
Pizza.
I got some mini tacos. Trying to be quick and easy.
I think that they look like the tacos from the Adore Me video. Or Adore You.
There's tacos?
Yeah. He gives his fish a little taco.
I didn't even know that. We got chorizo because it's so good. It'll make our eggs better.
Yeah.
I got some banana chips. We got mac and cheese and
Oranges.
that's it. Let's conclude.
We got all this for what, like $35?
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
so now we're
like-
set for like small meals.
Yeah. That'll keep us from spending like $300
Yeah, 'cause
on
I'm
food.
not about to do that.
But yeah. And I got this sweater at Forever 21. They were 40% off. And there were what, 4 floors in Forever 21?
5 floors of fruit, I think.
Oh my god. Well, yeah, I got this for like $13. It's so cute. And then we went to Sephora and I got a brow brush I needed because I love this. So yeah, NYC shopping. Woohoo! All right, we're going to bed. We are exhausted. It's like 11:20. Normally I don't feel tired until like 1 in the morning, but I feel like it's like 3 a.m. We're done. We're gonna go to a Harry Styles pop-up tomorrow. We're really excited. But yeah, good night.